Okay. What's going on? I'm here with Centra. I'm Universal. We're here with this Fortnite meme. You can obviously tell I got siblings. Straight fire hooligans. Let's get into this. I have Centra on FaceTime. We are about to press play. Is that right? Press play in 3! That was an awful voice crack. 2, 1, press play. Okay, we're going in.
Okay, so his
Okay.
emote isn't even on the top.
This is my emote. Oof. Remember, I'm doing most of these videos. My friend Centra over there, he's gonna do most of the gaming. If you don't like the Fortnite, come over here. We're doing vlogs, different things like that. Wait for summer to come. Oh no! He's dead. He is dead. He's going. And he fell. That kid knows how to play. What's happening? What is this? This boy.
What?
A llama. And he didn't get out for that. Memes. Water. Boom. Earth. Fire. Oof. Air. Defaults. Combine. I didn't buy it. We all know what you're gonna do.
No.
If you don't know who this is the person that made the Gold Digger song. Stop. Stop! This is me. This is me. Stop! That kid's in sync with me. Ah! What? I'm done. This is it. I can still hear it! Oh my god. Okay, Scully, you got this. Let's go, Scully.
Walker, you got this.
Oh!
You did it! Well,
Let's go, boys! I want everybody to go down below and hit that F key. I want that F key to be smashed. Like, that was just an F. That was just an oof.
You got this, dude. There's only 6 people left.
6 people?
You got this.
You got this.
Yeah, snipe.
Snipe, you got the snipe. You got this snipe.
Snipe him. You got this. Oh, you failed.
And he hit the tree. There's the cannon.
Yeah, what is he doing? Oh god, no, please, no. Oh.
Crap. Okay.
Oh, gosh.
Oof. Shoot them! This one defaults for a thing.
Yeah.
This is when real defaults for a thing. Also known as me.
No.
Just what? Pump up! You're gonna die to storm. You suck. Oh! Fortnite, get out of here, Apex! That's me. That is how you do it. Watch this kid just come out here and kill him.
Oh, Frog's gonna I wonder what he's doing. Ready? No!
When you try your best, but you don't succeed. Oh my god! This save! And you can see this is in solos.
Yeah, this is solos. They should have died.
You should have killed this kid. Kill him. I hope this kid kills him. Oh! Wreck! That's me ever again. We can do it. I'm glad there's no sound because there's cursing. Whoa! Okay.
So the default is AFK.
She's an 8. I hope this kid gets an AR or a shotgun and just one pumps him.
I've seen this and I'm pretty sure I know what happens. In the video. But I'm pretty sure I know what happens.
Jump off the edge. Kill yourself. Don't let him get that. Fake him out.
Yeah.
That's what I hope happens. I have no back support right now. My back is hurting. Stupid.
Oh. Default. Oh, there's a default.
Dab on him. Dab on him. Shoot! Next time I'm gonna be in my actual chair. Aww. Oh no. Oof. What? suck.
No. No, this is like season 2. Oh no, this is season 1.
Definitely. Greasy's so different. Do it. Yes. I do this every game. Oh, thank God it's done. I'm gonna exit out to here. That was an intense video. I didn't laugh very much. He actually Central laughed a ton. I hope you enjoyed. I want everybody right now, I will give you 5 seconds to hit that like button. And if you don't, you will never get a gold gun in your life. 1, 2, don't you dare pause it. 3, 4. What comes after 4? 56, 5. I hope you put that like button. Subscribe if you like my weird, wacky ways of doing things. And if that's going to be it for this video, goodbye!